Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I bring you guys another video, and this is going to be a review about this product right here. You guys are wondering, what is it? What does it do? It looks like a little washer. Well, you're right, it does. It is a washer. So I'm gonna review this product. I got this product online in Amazon for like $6-7, and I wanted to review it because I know I seen it all over internet, and a lot of YouTubers have been doing the review, so I want to do my review. So hope you like and subscribe to my channel. So let's just get started into this video. So this is a little mini washer, and this mini washer, it's pink. You put, I just used it to try it out, so excuse that water. And it takes some batteries, which they're in there. You're gonna need a bottle of water. This is just sink water. I just put it in a bottle. And this is some soap, hand soap. It smells so good, orange, so my brushes are gonna be smelling good. And then this is just a little botecito. It looks dirty, but it's not from the inside. Anyways, we're just using this to drop the dirty water in here. So what this does is, supposedly, and I'm gonna say supposedly because I need to review it and try it and see if it does the job. But what it looks like, it's a mini washer. You put some water, you drop a little bit of soap in there, y esto, it's gonna do what it's gonna do, it's gonna wash your brushes. So I have a bunch of brushes that I want to cleaned out, definitely. So we're gonna start with all your brushes. You can wash your brushes. You could use your concealer or your what's it called, your concealer, your makeup, whatever, kabukis or sponges or all that stuff, the little because I don't use your foundation appliances in here, because I don't use foundation, so it's hard for me to remember sometimes that word. So we're gonna try it out together, and we're gonna see if this really works. I just tried one off camera, and it looks like very good. This brush was very dirty, and look how neat it lifted. So that's that, and I'm putting them here in a clean towel. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start, so this one I purchased it about 2 months ago in Amazon, and I think you could find them there, and I paid for mine about $7-8, and it's missing the top part, the little tapadera. I don't know where is it, what happened to it. So what we're gonna do here is, first we're gonna add some water to our little washer. So I think about that much right there. Okay. Then we're gonna add, put this to the side. We're gonna add some soap. And this all depends on your preference. You could use any type of soap. I'm using this one, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. And I'm doing everything with one hand, so excuse me if I'm everywhere. Okay, so now that we have our soap, we have our stuff in there, we have our water, we are going to put a brush. And let's try this one. You guys see how dirty and filthy is it? Okay. So let's see if this really works on this type of brushes. You could actually put more, I think. So podemos poner like all the chiquitas brushes here that I have. Let's try with 3. So we're gonna put estas tres adentro son las que más uso. And we're gonna, and as you guys see, it's actually washing your brushes. So what I do, las agarro. You guys see the water? How dirty is it? And it has a lot of power to it. Let me tell you, this thing has a lot of power. And if it sounds like that, it's because, you know, I have 3 in there. Tampoco puede echarle, like, you know, but it's gonna do the job. But maybe it's not gonna be done the way you expect it, you know, to get it done. But if you guys see, look how dirty is the water. Whoa, you guys seeing that? Whoa, okay, so I'm liking it. So let me just put one by one. And if you let it go, this would practically washing your brushes. Like I said, it's a mini washer, and there's plenty reviews in YouTube and Instagram about YouTubers and makeup artists trying this one. This is no brand, but I think there's brand ones. The original one that came up with it, I'm not sure. I say Huda makeup. You guys could try it, buy it from there, or just go online. I believe you could even get it at AliExpress, Wish, and all that online. But I got mine on Amazon, and I did a Prime, so I got it really quick. I just didn't have that much time to do a review. Now it's like, now is the time, because my brushes are very dirty and they really needed a clean. So now we're gonna look at that. You guys could see, I mean, this one was very dirty. Very dirty. Of course, it doesn't look like I want it to look, but you could probably give twice since this water is already dirty. So I want to show you guys how to throw the water and add new water. So first we're just gonna do this one. So I'm gonna put it to the side, and then remember the yellow one? Well, there's pretty much no yellow in here. So le vamos a dar otra pasadita. You could just let it be. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. So now let's try this one. This is so cute. I've been wanting to actually buy a brush cleaner. I'm not gonna say this one I'm 100% satisfied how it's leaving them, but it does the job very mild, say. I don't have one of those foundations sponges, so I could try it out. I'll probably get one just to try it out and see. So look at that. It looks better. It's okay. So now we're gonna turn it off. You guys could dump it here, you know, but we're gonna be using it the way that I seen. So this little thing, the water is como un little drain. One little drain, but you can leave it out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm doing it with one hand, okay? So please have patience with me, and let's see how we do this. Okay, so ahí está tirando la agua sucia. Look, all that dirty water. We're gonna do a second, so por ahí está tirando el agua sucia. Okay, so now we're ready for a second time. And because it has a lot of espuma, lo que voy a hacer es with a makeup wiping, I'm kind of cleaning there para que toda esa espuma, I'm just, ya no voy a usar jabón, nomás quiero quitarle la espuma, y hace mucha espuma, so make sure you guys get rid of all that. Okay, so this is all the dirty water, you guys see. Ooh, okay. Ahora vamos a echarle agua limpia, some clean water, about that much. It already has a little bit of soap left over, so lo vamos a prender. Miren. Wow, okay, so los vamos a hacer un rinse, ¿verdad? Porque no las podemos dejar con el jabón. We're doing a rinse. Ya no debería de tener tanta agua sucia, pero es posible. Es posible. Everything is possible that you can end up again with some dirty water that wasn't washed good. Y tiene mucha potencia, como les digo. It has a lot of potential. So look at that. Ooh, look at the closure. Miren. Okay. Nomás que hay colores, you know, there's some colors that are very hard to remove from your brushes. So we're gonna put them here because this one, it's done. And those are just, but this one were really, they were very dirty. Those are the 3 or 4. I have a couple of them that I use a lot. And I have a bunch to go through. So, it's a mess in here. So if you guys see the water, it's not that dirty like it was. But look at our brushes. Most of all the colors came out. So now they're gonna get dry. This one was so dirty. So if you guys like put a lot of pressure like this, you'll actually stop it. It have to be very, very light. So I believe if you put like something very heavy in here, it's not gonna do the job just because it's not gonna move. And oops. So So it's all done. It's all done. Like I said, they're not gonna look like 100% clean because they were very dirty, and it's not a really washer machine, or you're doing it by hand. I usually wash mine by hand, pero miren, if you guys see before I washed them, they were so dark. That's why I show you guys, and now that's how they're looking. And our water is looking like that. So I just dumped the water in there. So how I'm liking it, it's working good, but just not really, like, you know, I think I could do better if I do it by hand. Of course, this is just something to entertain yourself. It's a little washer just to entertain yourself and, you know, practically. But let me finish up and I'll show you guys the final results once I'm done, and you guys can see all that. I'm gonna try and do all this and I'll show you guys the final result. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so my battery went off already, I believe, so I wasn't able to do all this and all that. But look, you guys, that's how dirty was my brushes. I usually wash them twice or 3 times a month because I don't use them all. You know, I just wash as I'm using. But look how pretty they look after I give them. So I give them a wash, then I give them a rinse, and that's how they're looking. They're drying. I usually just let them air dry. But I don't have no batteries to continue, so I'm gonna tell you, I'm really loving the product. I'm really loving the little washer. It does the job, not 100%, but I'll say most of like 70%, 70%, 80. So I'm really satisfied with my purchase, and I really recommend if you guys purchase one, try it out. I bought it off from Amazon, but I know a lot of different online stores have them also. Go and check them out, and I hope you guys enjoy, and remember to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.